Hi, and welcome to a sneak peek of Meteor's prosocial learning environment. Today we're going to go through the 4 elements that make spaces prosocial. First here you'll see what we call a learning pod. This is where students are grouped 2 to 4 students where they are facing each other. So we want to encourage knee-to-knee, eye-to-eye conversations so that students can read each other's facial expressions. The second piece of our prosocial learning is keeping teacher space under 15%. So this piece right here is called a facilitation station. This allows the teachers to move fluidly from table to table, pod to pod, student to student, and get rid of the front of a classroom. Additionally, these facilitation stations move up and down. This again allows our teachers to be knee-to-knee, eye-to-eye. The third component of prosocial learning is dynamic space, the ability to move fluidly, to get up, to encourage students to move to where they learn best. One of the greatest things about having leveled seating is student choice, feeling comfortable in their bodies and knowing what they might need so they can see better and learn better. Finally, we'll end with our fourth component, activity zones. This is one example of an activity zone, a lounge soft seating space. These are often book nooks or student libraries. Another example of an activity zone may be a space for students to come up and collaborate. This is a great example of that. We've seen things like cool down zones as well. Activity zones allow students to have choice and again, learn to advocate for what they need in the classroom. And that's it, 4 components of prosocial learning. Thanks for joining us.